If you have a crafter in your life, here's a list of 26 great gift ideas. Everything is available on Amazon and affiliate links are below. All of these suggestions are highly rated, cover a variety of price ranges, although I think everything is a great value. I've got a lot to cover, so hang on and listen fast. A very basic supply for most crafters is paint, but many start with just a small selection of colors. This 36 pack of acrylic paints will give the crafter a great variety. And if they're set on standard colors, they'll love this set of metallic paints. Another great paint item in a crafter's collection is paint pens. They're dual tip, so a thicker tip on one end and a fine tip on the other. And speaking of metallic paint, these metallic paint pens are fantastic and will be used a lot by your crafter. Your crafter also will love this brush washer. The rough bottom cleans the brushes, and then they sit in the other side in separate clean water. I absolutely love this item. In addition to paint, cutters are key, and nothing beats a great quality pair of shears. Even if your crafter already has scissors, they'll love these ergonomic offset scissors from Fiskars. Also from Fiskars are these precision snipping scissors, which are perfect for super detailed cutting. And if you're looking for something that's just fun, how about these fancy embroidery scissors? Amazon has a variety of styles and colors that are sure to impress. A crafting knife, whether X-Acto or another brand, is a must for every crafter. You can find them in all kinds of sets, but I especially like the ergonomic design of this one from Fiskars. And if your crafter works with larger pieces of fabric or paper, a rotary cutter would be a welcome time saver. Just remember that they'll also need a cutting mat like this self-healing one. These projects aren't going to stay together by themselves, and this glue gun is just the ticket. Highly rated, dual temp, and it comes with several accessories, including glue sticks. A really popular crafting technique is to use colored glue sticks in projects, and this jumbo variety pack of glue sticks will put your crafter in colored glue heaven. These are mini sticks, and you don't want to use your regular glue gun with these, so be sure to pick up a mini glue gun, or maybe even two. A heat gun is one of those things that you don't really think you need to have until you do. This one is great because you can control the amount of heat, making it super versatile. If you're looking to impress, here are some great crafting machines that are on every crafter's list. Sizzix die cut and embossing machine is a must-have for paper crafts, especially card making. They make a variety of machines at different price points and sell the machine separately or in a starter kit. And if you've never heard of a Cricut machine, well, you have now. It is every general crafter's dream machine. They also have a variety of models at different price points, with the higher end models handling a bigger variety of materials and larger sizes. You could buy the machine separately or in a starter kit, and if your crafter already has a Cricut, this accessory bundle will be a great addition to their material stash. But what if you can't decide? How about an all-exclusive kit? This soap making kit or candle making kit would be a sure hit. Ooh, I made a rhyme. Epoxy resin is super popular, and this kit is a great option because it includes a lot of needed equipment as well as materials to make necklace pendants. And if they haven't tried jewelry making, this kit gives them everything needed to explore a variety of styles and techniques, and even has an organizer. I hope this video has given you some great ideas for gifts for that crafty person in your life. If you found this to be a quality video, I hope you'll give it a thumbs up and consider joining the Koala crew by subscribing to my channel. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope that you have a quality day.